So Zillow came up with this interesting quiz. Which high-end addition has a better return is the first question. We're gonna question Steve and Lee. Since we're not live, I would take phone calls, but we'll use Steve and Lee as the contestants. So I thought this was fascinating. Which high-end addition has a better return in your mind? A bathroom or a main bedroom to add on to your house? Let's start with Lee. What are your thoughts?
Bathroom.
Bathroom? Okay, Steve.
Yeah, that's what I would think as well. The bathroom, that's where all the kitchen and bathrooms, that's where the money goes.
You're both right. On average, homeowners recoup about 45% of the cost of adding a high-end bathroom compared to only 38% of the cost for an upscale main bedroom. It's interesting. Next question, which replacement is a bigger bang for your buck if you replace the windows or you replace your garage door? Steve, let's start with you on this one.
Oh, that's an interesting one. Well, windows are going to cost a lot more, but I think just the curb appeal is going to be the garage door, I would say.
All right. Garage door for you, Steve. Lee, how about yourself?
I'll go with windows.
Windows. All right. Steve's right on this one. Whether vinyl or wood, windows are expensive to replace, yes, and they don't typically hold their value. On the flip side, an upscale garage door costs about $4,500, and the average resale value is $8,750 that you get back. That's nearly a 200% return on your investment. I'm sure the window company's not so happy with that response, but it's true. Which mid-range remodel is a better return on investment? Is it your bathroom or your kitchen? If you are going to remodel part of your home, which one should you remodel, bathroom or kitchen? Lee, we start with you on this one.
Kitchen.
Kitchen, and on your suggestion, Steve?
Man, I'm trying to decide which one I spend more time in. I guess I'm going to go with kitchen still.
All right, both of you on kitchen. The correct answer is bathroom. Whether they're very close, mind you. They're very close. Mid-range bathroom remodel typically offers about a 74% return on your investment, while you will recoup 50% of the costs associated with a mid-range kitchen redo. Note that as well as a mid-range kitchen remodel typically costs as much more overall compared to a mid-range bathroom. The national average cost in 2024, nearly $80,000 to remodel your kitchen. Woo! While a bathroom is about $25,000, but still the bathroom wins on getting your return on back. So maybe a good investment.
Wow.
Which outdoor addition has a better return, folks? Is it a deck or a patio? And Steve, we'll start with you on this one. Deck or patio?
Oh, wow. We just got a new deck on ours, and it's made a huge difference. So that's my favorite. So I'll go with that.
Okay. So Lee, how about you?
I'll go with deck.
Deck. You're both right. Decks, while more expensive to build, typically have a higher return than patios. In 2024, the national average for recouped costs, which is what we're looking for wood decks, about 83% return on what you spend, while the more expensive composite decks were 68%. So if you get those ones that don't need to be maintained, they're more expensive, but you only get 68% back on the return. So deck over patio.
Surprising.
Yeah, it is. I was fascinated by this when I saw this as well. So that kind of gives you a rundown of some of the things that are, if you're thinking about doing some improvements. Let's go for one more. Which update's better? New roof, new siding. Which one, guys? New roof, new siding. Lee, let's start with you.
New siding.
Siding? Okay. And Steve?
I'm going to go roof.
According to this one's close, but the siding is slightly more lucrative, especially if the material is fiber cement. In some cases, we call that hardy board. 2024 national average for cost recouped on fiber cement siding is about 88% and 80% for vinyl siding. Replace your roof with asphalt shingles, you get about 60% of the recouped cost on average. So those are some of the Zillow things. I thought that was rather fascinating. Hope you did too. A reminder, if you want to see what sellers are saying about us, you can go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com and read our reviews, both buyers and sellers.